What's up, guys? My name's Sunny, and today we're going to be taking a look at the PetPivot AutoScooper 12. This machine comes in around 150 bucks, and it completely ditches the confusing apps for pure, simple reliability. Let's get into the details. Now, let's talk about automating our lives real fast. We got smart thermostats, robot vacuums, and even AI that writes our emails these days. But when it comes to our pet chores, sometimes tech tries a little way too hard. Today we're going to be taking a look at the PetPivot AutoScooper 12. It's an automatic litter box that comes in around 150 bucks, and honestly, its biggest selling point might be what it doesn't really have. You see, my favorite kind of tech is the kind that you set up once and you completely forget about it. The AutoScooper 12 takes that to heart. There's no Wi-Fi, there's no companion apps that demand updates or your attention, or they're sending you notifications every 5 minutes. It uses simple physical controls, which feels more like a reliable home appliance than a finicky piece of tech. You plug it in and it just gets to work. Now, chances are, if you're watching this video, you might have seen the older AutoScooper 11 floating around. And I recently got my hands on the upgraded AutoScooper 12, and I want to talk about how this newer version actually fits into a daily routine of mine. First off, this is truly a cost-effective machine. Coming in at around 150 bucks, it's not trying to position itself as some high-end luxury piece of tech. And honestly, I think that's exactly why it works so well. The core benefit is exactly what you want. You never have to scoop. It automatically cleans up after every single use. Once you set it up, it stays consistent without needing much attention at all. And consistency really matters because even skipping one day of scooping shows up pretty fast, and you smell it too. Now, here's my favorite part, and it's something you rarely hear me say on this channel. There's no app. There's no Wi-Fi involved. In a world where even my fridge or my toaster want to connect to my internet router, it is so incredibly refreshing to have a device that just works entirely by itself with just simple physical controls. It feels solid. It feels like a reliable home appliance rather than another finicky piece of tech that I have to manage, update, or troubleshoot when the server goes down. You plug it in and it does what it's supposed to do. Let's talk about noise as well, because I think that's important too, because there's a huge deal if you work from home or if you're living in a space that's shared. A lot of automatic boxes sound like a construction zone when they cycle. The AutoScooper 12 is surprisingly quiet, in fact. It runs smoothly enough that it doesn't really interrupt the room or startle your pets, which is, I think, really important. If the machine scares them off, they won't be using it, and then you just bought a very expensive plastic paperweight. Now, speaking of pets using it, safety is absolutely non-negotiable here. I can't be monitoring things 24/7, so I need to trust the hardware on that. The AutoScooper 12 is super safe. If a pet approaches, hesitates, or even reaches in with a paw inside while it's actively cleaning, the machine pauses immediately thanks to all the infrared sensors that are present. And this feels very intentional. It's clearly designed to default to caution rather than just speed up through the process. And you know, just like the AutoScooper pauses the second it senses movement, why don't you take a pause yourself right now and hit that like and subscribe button down below. It really helps out the channel, and it helps me to keep bringing you guys honest reviews on tech that actually matters in your lives. Now let's move on to the design of the AutoScooper 12. One of the biggest physical upgrades that I've noticed and I've appreciated, and even Nico here as well with the 12, is an integrated step. It sounds like a really small detail, but it gives a much more stable, gradual entry to the box. This is incredibly helpful if you have a senior pet, or any pet for that matter, that just needs a little extra support to get in and out of the box. It's one of those considerate design choices that shows that they are paying attention to how animals actually move and use the product. Plus, it still rocks a semi-open design, which means there is absolutely zero risk of anyone getting trapped inside. This machine ties into a much bigger theme for my home setup. I'm always looking for tech that quietly supports the household without creating more work for me. Whether it's a robot vacuum or an automatic feeder for my pets, these aren't always the flashiest, most exciting purchases, but all together they create an environment where you aren't constantly reacting to chores. And for an automatic box around $150, that kind of quiet reliability absolutely earns its place in the home. It gives you your time back, and that's the best feature any piece of tech can offer. So if you're looking to offload one of the absolute worst daily chores without breaking the bank, I've left my Amazon affiliate link right down in the description so you can grab the PetPivot AutoScooper 12 for yourself. Shout out to the guys and gals over at PetPivot for sending this review sample over. Hope you guys will show them some love. Drop a comment below and let me know, do you prefer household tech to be highly connected to your phone, or do you like simple plug and play appliances that just get the job done? Thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one very soon. Later.